Hello students, today we will be comparing place values and we will be using our supplemental aid today. Let's go ahead and read our question. It says, compare the value of the digit 3, the word value is important, in 341 and 231. So again, the word value is important and lets us know, hey, we're looking for how much a number is worth. So in this case, we're looking for the digit 3 in 341 and the digit 3 in 231. For this first practice question, we're going to be using the supplemental aid. We're going to be putting 341. And we're only going to worry about the value of the 3. The value of the 3 is 300. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and put it over here. 341. And again, we're looking for the value of the 3. And that was, so the value of the 3, like I just mentioned, is 300. Now we're going to go ahead and erase this over here on our place value chart. We're going to put the number 231. We're only focused on the 3. And the value of the 3 is 30. So we're going to put the number 231. And we're going to put the number 30. Okay? Now, if I was to put the numbers 300 and 30 on top of each other and I compare it, I go from the 300 because that one was first and I go down 1. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that if I want to compare this, I have to think of, is 300 more or is 300 less? Well, first of all, it's more. And because we only move one spot, it's also 10 times. Okay, so the value of the digit 3 was 300, is 10 times more the value of 231. Okay, pretty simple. Let's try that again. I'm not going to use the place value chart this time. Okay, it says compare the value of the digit 4 in 431. And I already know that's 400. And the value of the number 4 in the number 234. Okay, and that is 4. Okay, so if I put the number 400 and 4, I go 1, 2. That's 10 times and 10 times. And we know that the first one is more. Okay, now we can't put 10 times 2 times. So we're going to put it a little bit differently. Because if you have 10 times 10, that equals 100. Okay, so that means that 400 is 100 times more than 4. So the value of the digit 4 in 431 is 100 times more the value of 234. Okay, so if you only are moving one spot, it's 10 times. If you're moving 2 spots, it's 100. Okay, one more example. Compare the value of the digit 3 in 203 and 231. So we're going to put 203 and we're going to put 231 Okay, the value of the 3, because we're looking for the value of the 3, is 3. And then the value for the 3 over here is 30. Okay, so we put the 3 and we put the 30. Notice that this time the number on top is smaller. Okay, it's smaller than the one on the bottom. So we still skipped one time, one little bump, so that's 10 times. But because the 3 is smaller, now we're going to put that the value of the digit 3 in 203 is 10 times less because it's smaller than the 30. Okay, let's try that one more time. We're comparing the value of the digit 4 in 134 and 431. The value over here is a 4. The value over here is 400. So you put the 4 and the 400. If I go 1, 2, that's 10 times, 10 times, and that equals 100 because I skipped 2 times and 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, now the 4 is smaller, so we have to put 100 times smaller than the value of 431. Alrighty, students.